Lesson 25 MIS Reports and Analysis. In this chapter, we'll discuss about the MIS reports like cash flow, fund flow, ratio analysis, profitability reports. Then is your checklist, which will include master statistics, voucher statistics, checking of duplicate, blank, cancel voucher numbers, then complete sales purchase analysis, and then is the query system. Using query system, you can query or make search on various party balances, various masters, various transactions, search a particular string in transactions, query on item balances, and so on. So first of all, we'll go to the display menu. Under display menu, we'll go to the MIS reports option and select the cash flow option. On selecting the cash flow option, you will select summary for a particular month or details for a period. We have selected summary for all months. This is showing cash flow for each month with opening, inflow, outflow, net flow, and balances month wise. Then is fund flow. You can see on the screen on the working capital basis, which is showing fund flow for each month. Then is ratio analysis. Using ratio analysis, you can view ratio analysis for a particular month. Like here, we have selected the month of July, so this is showing liquidity ratios, leverage ratios, turnover ratios, profitability ratios. So complete ratio analysis you can view. Then is your profitability reports. Profitability reports display gains or loss on various accounts, bills, items, material center. First report here is bill-wise. Using bill-wise report, you can view the profit earned or loss incurred on various bills or invoice, specify the starting date, ending date, and then items cost price basis, like cost price is to be calculated on weighted average method, whatever method you will select. And on the screen you can view the bill-wise profitability report. Next is your party-wise report, which displays profit earned or loss incurred from various parties. Then is material center-wise report, which will display profit or loss incurred at various material center. Next we will discuss item-wise profitability report, which will display information regarding opening amount, closing amount, amount in, amount out, and gross profit earned on all items or item groups during a specified date range. On selecting the all items option, we'll specify the starting date, ending date, and you can see the item wise gross profit report, which is showing opening amount in, amount out, closing amount, gross profit, and the gross profit ratio. Next is your party abstract report. Party abstract report displays the sale purchase transaction made with the customer vendor along with other details such as total receipt, payments, total outstanding, average outstanding period, and debit credit balance of party. You can generate this report for your customers or vendors. Customers to which you sell the goods and vendors are those from which you purchase the good. Then you will select one account or group of account. Here we are generating this report for sundry creditors account group, and on the screen you can see the vendor abstract report. Here average outstanding amount is calculated by dividing total amount due by number of days. Next is checklist. Using checklist menu, you can view the master statistics, voucher statistics, and voucher numbering reports, list of blocked masters, list of deactivated masters. Under master statistics, you can see the total existing masters created for each master type. That is, for example, on screen you can see 90 account masters are there, and so on. Next is voucher statistics. It will show the number of vouchers created in each month for separate voucher types. Like in the month of April, this much number of vouchers are entered. In the month of May, this much number of vouchers are entered. Then is your report of list of blocked masters and list of deactivated masters. We'll discuss this in our further chapters. Next is your voucher numbering reports. Mainly these are used in case of manual voucher numbering. Using this section, you can view report for the vouchers that have blank voucher number, duplicate voucher number, missing voucher number, unsequenced voucher number. Now we'll discuss the sales analysis. Sales analysis report displays the complete sales analysis of all the items. We will discuss the item-wise standard date voucher-wise report. On selecting this option, we have selected one item option, then date-wise. Here we have selected the item for which we want to view the sales analysis report. Specify the starting date, ending date. Then columns to be shown as net sales, like sales minus sales return, sales and sales return both, only the sales and only sales return. You can select the option as per your requirement. We are selecting the net sales option, that is sales minus sales return. Then is show items basic amount or cost of goods. We have specified cost of good by specifying C in this data field, and on the screen you can view the sales analysis. On pressing the enter key, it will drill down to the voucher level. Next, we are viewing this report for all the items. Here also on the screen you can view the sales analysis report for all the items, net sale quantity, net sale amount, all the details are shown on the screen. You can see a lot of reports are appearing under sales analysis option. You can select the report as per your requirement. Next, the report we are viewing is one item all parties, that is sales analysis of a one particular item with all the parties. So you can see on the screen that this particular item has been sold only to this particular party. Next is purchase analysis. Similar to sales analysis is your purchase analysis, that is the analysis of the purchases you have made. Here also, first of all, we are viewing the item standard voucher wise, date wise report. We are generating this report for all the items, and on the screen you can view the items and the net purchase quantity of these items. Next, we are viewing one item all party report. We have selected the item Sony Bravia LED TV, and on the screen you can see we have purchased this item from Sony India Private Limited only. Next, we will discuss query system. Under query system, first option is search party. Using this option, you can search party details by specifying its mobile number, email ID, or name or alias. For example, you have only the mobile number, then by entering the mobile number, you can see on the screen its complete details are shown. That is, in whatever party busy will find this mobile number, it will show its detail on the screen. On pressing the enter key, you can see the report is further drilled down to the voucher level. Next is your query on masters. Using this option, you can search particular text in various masters. Here two options are appearing: all masters, text only, or selected masters, multiple option. So we are selecting all masters, text only option. Here we are specifying the search string, that is traders we have mentioned. Now busy will display those master in which this particular search string will be found. Next is query on transaction. Again we are going in all transactions, text only option. Here we have specified a particular check number. If you want to search that in which voucher this particular check number has been mentioned, then you can do so by using this option. Here busy has shown that in this particular payment voucher, the check number as specified by you has been found. You can further drill down this report to the voucher level. Next is your query on item balances. Here you can filter the report on a particular material center group, item optional field. You can also apply filter on the quantity. Here we are applying filter on main store material center. So on the main store material center, following is the item balance for each item. Next is query on account balance. Here we are filtering this report on the basis of amount, that is we are searching only those accounts that have a debit balance greater than 10,000 rupees. So busy is showing the result that these particular parties have a debit balance greater than or bigger than 10,000 rupees. Similarly, you can search for those accounts also that have a credit balance of more than 10,000 rupees. Next, we'll discuss query on item prices. Using this option, you can query on items prices. Like we have selected a particular item here, and busy has shown its complete details, its price, MRP, discount, and so on. Next is query on GSTIN. Using this option, you can query on GSTIN, like you will specify a particular GSTIN number, and busy will show the details that this particular GSTIN number belongs to which party. Next is query on HSN SSC code. Using this option, you can search HSN SSC code in various items. For example, we'll specify a particular HSN SSC code, and busy will show the items in which this particular HSN SSC code has been used. So these are our MIS reports and analysis. Under this chapter, we have discussed MIS reports, checklist, sales purchase analysis, and query system. Hope after going through this chapter, you would be able to easily view and print reports related to this. At the end of the chapter, we have provided certain exercise. You can view the exercise on screen and attempt it. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.